Today, I'm going to give you a full breakdown on everything that I have inside my investment portfolio. So I've had this request quite a few times on some of my previous videos, and I thought it'd be a good idea to give you a full overview of what shares I have in my investment portfolio. So I'll give you full transparency of what's in the profit, what's in the loss, how much I've made from that, and the mistakes that I've made along the way as well. And if you stick around until the end, I'll give you a full overview of what my account is currently returning me in the last 5 years since I've been investing. Now, when I first started back in 2020, I was using a platform I'm still using now, which is Trading 212. And the biggest mistake that I made was I set up a Trading 212 invest account, and it wasn't until about 6 months later someone made me aware that I should be putting my money into an ISA. So all the money that I invested up until that point, I made the mistake of just liquidating everything, moving it over to the ISA, and then rebuying into those stocks, but at the current price. So I lost value straight away. Now I'm going to show you every company that I own, and I'm going to go from lowest to highest in terms of value. So the first company that you'll see is Rio Tinto. So I currently have 2 shares in that company that's valued at £101.14. That's up 1.65%. Unlike the other companies that I own, which are predominantly quarterly or monthly dividend payers, this is the only one in my portfolio that pays twice a year, but it pays a very modest 6.74%. Now, the next company that you'll see is actually an ETF. Like Rio Tinto, I only bought those about a couple of weeks ago, so the value is still relatively low. It's an ETF with the ticker symbol QYLP. I currently own 14.67 shares with them, and at the moment it's valued at £208.71, which is up 2.4%. The reason why I really liked this ETF is A, it pays monthly dividends, and B, the actual dividend yield is an amazing 10.75%. So the next company is BP. Again, it's relatively new. I started investing in that back in December, so I own currently 57.3 shares in that company, which are currently valued at £244.21, so up 8.51%, so nearly £20 increase in that short amount of time. BP are a quarterly dividend payer, which pay back 5.41%. Next on the list is Main Street Capital. I own 5.8 shares in that company, and as it currently stands, they're valued at £287.95, so up an impressive nearly 15%, so just over £37 that I've made since purchasing it back in November. Okay, so jumping up in value a little bit now, the next company that I've currently owned is Altria Group. The current value of those is £473.71, so up a very nice 19.38%, just shy of £77, and I own 11.2 shares in that company. Okay, so the next one is Coca-Cola. So I've had this for nearly the entirety of having the portfolio, so almost 5 years now. I currently own 10.2 shares, which are now valued at £510.03, so up just shy of 19%, and it's returned me £81 in profit. Okay, next up is VICI Properties. The current value at the minute is £559.25, so that one's currently down at the minute, but only just shy of 1%, so I'm not overly concerned. At the minute, the stock seems rather volatile, so it's been up and down throughout the month. I own 23.5 shares in that company, but it does have a very nice dividend yield of 5.6%. Realty income, very similar to VICI Properties, is down as well. I own 13.84 shares in that particular company. Its current valuation is £597.10, so just shy of 5%, so I'm down just under £31. Bit of a jump up now. The next one is CSCO. Like Coca-Cola, I've owned it pretty much since the start of my investment journey. Its current value in my portfolio is £893.61, up 31%, so just over £213, and I own 18.2 shares in that particular company. Okay, so the next one is Apple. Don't really need to explain what that company is, it's very renowned around the world. I earn £1,195.69 in value in that particular stock, up 56.2%, giving me £430 of profit, and I only own 6.5 shares in that. Finally, the biggest one that I own is an ETF, which is the S&P 500. I currently have a value of £2,197.99, which has returned me 56% over the last 5 years, up £791.69. And as you'll see, it takes up the majority of my shares, so it equates to about 30% of everything that I hold currently in the portfolio. Now when I combine all those together, it gives me an overall asset value of £7,269.06. So when I take profit into consideration, I'm up 28.67%, just over £1,600. And there you have it, guys. That's everything that's currently in my investment portfolio. As I mentioned in other videos, it's not a huge amount, it's not breaking the bank by any means, but I really enjoy doing this. I really enjoy dividend investing. If you enjoyed the video, if you could do me a favour and hit the like button, it really helps my channel grow and hopefully reach out to more people as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.